Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your OLED base station not charging sock. So here's a fix for your contact alignment and charging dock. Fix 1. Check the power connection. Make sure the USB cable and power adapter are firmly connected. Try a different wall outlet. Use the original OLED power adapter if possible. Fix 2. Place the sock correctly. Align the charging contact on the sock with the contact on the base station. Make sure the sock is seated properly. Fix 3. Clean the charging contacts. Wipe the metal charging contacts on both the sock and the base station with a soft dry cloth. Remove any dirt or lint that could block charging. Fix 4. Restart the base station. Unplug the base station from power, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in and try charging the sock again. Fix 5. Check the charging light. Place the sock on the base station. If no charging light appears, try another USB cable or power adapter if available. Fix 6. Let the sock charge. If the battery is completely drained, leave it on the base station for at least 20 to 30 minutes before checking again. Fix 7. Update the Owlet app. Open the Owlet app and install any available firmware updates for the base station or sock. Fix 8. You need to contact your Owlet support. If the sock still won't charge after trying these steps, the base station, charging cable, or sock battery may be faulty. You need to contact your Owlet support for further troubleshooting or warranty assistance. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.